Good evening, foolish mortals, and welcome to Wood Creek Hollow in Rome, New York. This is the first year in a new location for Wood Creek Hollow. Unfortunately, they only have the one attraction this year. There's some stuff going on. There's a food truck over there. There's a brand new merch booth over there. There's some fire pits also over there, and there's some cool stuff going on. There's plenty of photo opportunities. There's some really fun Q actors that wander around and are extraordinarily entertaining. This year at Wood Creek Hollow, you'll experience Psychopath, which is the return of all your favorite horror movie icons, from Jason to Freddy to the Bates Motel. What else? Oh, Art the Clown, yeah. Also, Skelemany's here.
Hi.
Let's head inside Psychopath, which is an outdoor trail attraction, and check that out.
No, first of all, spin the wheel. Okay. Second of all, hold your horses. How long did it take you to do that?
This one,
Hold on, what did we get here?
Thrilling time is coming soon.
Oh, I love when it's honest.
It's like right on the line. It's between
Yeah.
A Thrilling Time is Coming Soon and A Big Treasure Will Be Yours.
Well, here's a little treasure.
Oh,
Oh my gosh!
what'd you get?
It's a ghost.
It's a little ghost, that's all I am.
It's so cute.
They're all the souls I stole. Please, now your turn.
My turn. Okay.
Yes, everyone
All
has to
right.
Spin the wheel of fortune. Mike.
Come on, big bucks and away me. Stop.
Dude.
Um,
Oh, new level come
new
your way.
level
Hopefully not
come
in
my
here.
way.
That would be questionable. Man, the whammy thing
not?
just sent me back. That's how I'm like, no whammy.
No whammy. Stop.
Every time I hear it, I'm like, yeah, no whammy. I go so wild anytime someone says it. It's the worst. Please check in. Make sure you ring the bell for service and have fun.
All right, where's the bell? Where's the bell? There's the bell.
Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, sorry if I find you.
Table for two, please.
You can call room service. I'll be right next to you.
Oh.
Here's your.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Hold on. I gotta take this thing off of my wrist. All right. 10, 3, Skelegore. That's me, Skelegore.
Here's your key.
Oh, thank you. There's there's no number on that.
Yeah.
All right. You're in charge of this thing.
Mother, she didn't like that! Leave me alone, Mother! I said Mother didn't like that!
Why is a raven like a writing desk? Why is a raven like a writing desk?
I don't know. Why is a raven like a writing desk?
Like a writing desk. Why is a raven like
Oh wait, there's an answer to this. There is an answer to this because they both have an R in them.
No! 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 No!
Oh.
No! No! Oh! Oh!
Hi, welcome to Skelegore Learns a New Camera. The Hey, that was pretty efficient. Can you teach me how to do that?
Hello.
Hi.
How about this for a wet dream? You're in Betty's world.
Whoa. Oh my God, hi. This is my favorite movie.
You.
Who?
You're in Betty's world.
Okay.
All right, I believe you.
Little girl.
Help me! Help me, please! They killed all my friends! I don't know what to do!
All right, bye. Oh, hi, Freddy. Bye, Ghostface. Yes, I did. Yeah, totes.
Wow.
I mean, like, Freddy exists in dreams, so I assume that, like, teleportation is something that like, he can do pretty well.
Welcome to Wood Creek, bitch!
Ooh. Housekeeping. I'm here to talk to you about your extended auto warranty. Oh. Hi, we're here to talk to you about Jesus. Do you know who you're voting for this year? I'm calling about your extended auto warranty. I'll take all of those as a no. Oh, okay. So we have another Michael Myers. So we have like we have OG, and we have, I don't remember what era this one was. Okay, onward.
Who do we have here? Are you coming to dinner? Bubba's waiting for some guests.
I assume that I am for dinner, so I assume yes. So a really good one. All right, hold on. We got to do this. All right, so you've been telling jokes all night, right? Some really lame dad jokes.
Okay, thank you.
I've got one that's a little less lame. All right. What is the difference between a corpse and a Ferrari?
What?
I don't have a Ferrari in my garage.
I found out! I found it! I was like, no, I don't think it's gonna be that dark.
Hey, Editor Brian here. I'm really bad at this YouTube thing, and I forgot to shoot an outro on site. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, check this one out that I made at Crooked Descent in New Hartford, New York. And until next time, stay scary.